This is Andy. Welcome back to my channel. Today po we're going to field trip. Papunta na po kami sa bus. Papunta na sa bus. Walang view. Ang view pre. Ay magme-melt din yan. Uy. Guys, we're here. So today po we are going to field trip.
I don't want to be on camera. Wait, ano magkainan?
We're going to Palm Coast, Field Star at saka Star City po. Sadly walang view right now, pero humidity lang po yun. So, uy, guys, say hi to the video. Hi!
Sa pare? Hi vlog!
So, alis na po kami po. So, excited na po ako. So, mag-chill na po ako muna.
Delete that shit.
Hi!
Nas!
Hello.
Hi!
Hello.
Hi! Guys, umanda na.
Nilalabasan na!
Pero, walang view guys. Mawawala din ata yan.
Umay naman yung
magme-melt. First time ko po dito sa Philippine Star.
Wow! Dito po pwede nyo yung gamitin Philippine jacket nyo. Or pwede nyo yung isabit sa bewang nyo para pagdating po sa loob ng shoes sa malamig, pwede nyo yung gamitin.
We're gonna see the Philippine Star.
Ayan.
Hello everyone, nandito na po kami sa Field Star. Group picture po po kayo. So everyone, we're entering na po Field Star. Yeah. I'm excited. Bye guys.
Occupy all the seats first, then followed by the...
Dito na po.
dito po lahat, occupy. Occupy.
Dito. Say hi to the vlog. So everyone, hi to the vlog.
Sige.
Say hi.
Dito ba po? May isa pa dito.
Guys, say hi. Say hi, say hi, say hi.
Occupy all the seats first.
Nandito po kami sa Field Star News Company. So,
First field trip. First field trip in high school.
yes. First, ano guys?
Si Yui Nice.
Field Star. Tapos susunod, Palm Coast.
Palm Coast Adventures.
And Palm Coast Adventures and the Star City. Most sa Star City, yung Moscow.
Moscow.
Horror tayo sa horror. Madami.
Nag-video na naman.
sa Philstar.
Sparked a wave of democracy, inspiring many journalists and visionaries to join the game. Just like
history, one name shines the brightest. Printing our first issue on July 28, 1986, our founders, Benito Belmonte, Max Soliven, and Art Borjado brought to establish a newspaper rooted in truth, justice, and freedom. The Philippine Star would be an instrument of nation building. Since then, the Star has grown into a multimedia company with a vast audience across various titles, while staying true to the values upon which the newspaper was founded. Every day, the Philippine Star produces more than hundreds of thousands of copies each day to ensure that readers get relevant news and information they can trust. Allow us to take you through the steps by which we document history as it unfolds every day through our...
made it happen. They also made sure every section is fun to read on its own. Lifestyle, business, sports, entertainment, you name it, they nailed it. While other papers were still doing it old school, the Philippine Star changed the game. And guess what? Everyone else followed their lead.
So guys, kakawatch lang po namin ng PowerPoint presentation. We're chilling. They're going to the restroom. So, mamaya po magtutulog. So,
hello.
This is Manuel. This is Robert.
Wrong way.
Hi, Robert. Ito si Manuel. Ito si guys, si Manuel.
Hi, Manuel.
Si Robert. That's Robert. Tapos ito guys, si Jacob. Si Dominic. Also known as Dom Dom. Nauna tayo. Lucky Philstar. Hello guys, next stop po namin po is Science Expedition po. Yung una po is Palm Coast Adventures, pero pinalitan po dahil para po mas mabilis po pumunta sa Star City.
Nalaman ko na bata ko, mga 7. Nalaman ko.
So papunta na po kami sa Science Expedition. Pinaka-excited po ako sa Star City dahil magra-rides po kami. Manuel.
Yes.
Hello.
Bukod lang alam eh. Sabi ko dito sa sakit ko lang pala yung nagbibigay na presyo sa akin sa pa.
Traffic guys. Traffic. By the way guys, first time ko mag-field trip ng independent. In high school.
Mga nerd yan, Hello Kitty na lalaki lang.
Mag-traffic dito guys. Mukhang nasa Manila na kami.
Sa Facebook niya.
Dalawang field trip to go. Science Expedition and Star City.
Tingnan mo sa photos ni
So,
Luella.
I think we're gonna enjoy po sa both field trips na
Ilang ganda ng ate mo, pwede pa
sa Maynila.
Neil, magiging jowa na.
I think so. May mga tulay-tulay. Pwede rin po
Walang photo ng ate mo.
or not sure.
Meron nandyan.
And it's
Hindi,
traffic.
yung mga bata pa ate niya. Yung anak wala yung ate.
Okay guys, so Paranaque Balatan. According to classmate ko.
Si mama, ano.
So, kanina po di po ako masyado naka-video sa Philstar po. Mabilis po siya. pinakita po kami ng PowerPoint. Tapos po, tinor po kami dun sa pagawaan po nila ng mga newspaper. So, malaki po dun. So, tapos po, pinabalik na po agad kami sa bus.
May incident kasi na nangyari dun.
So, yun po.
Pero mabait yung tao doon.
Guys, nasa Ayala na kami.
Approaching to Ayala Mall, Manila Bay. So kindly check all your shoelaces kasi
We're going to Science Expedition. Nasa 5th floor daw po yung Science Expedition. So, pupunta na po kami. Hi guys! Hi! Hi guys! Guys, pupunta na kami sa Science Expedition.
We're going to the science. Yeah.
Dance, come on, dance. Dance, come on, dance. Huh? Dance.
I'm sexy and I know it.
Nasa Ayala Mall. Pasyal na tayo.
Nagulahan ako na.
Partner nyo, wag mo iwan.
Medyo nagulahan ako na.
Let's go, son.
Medyo nagulahan ako na. Oh no! Nagugulahan na ako na.
Oh, gala na tayo.
Galing ako agad sa mga...
Partner, come here, partner.
No, iwanan kita.
No.
Oh no!
Nagpasyal na din, guys.
Nag-laces guys.
Nagpasyal na din.
Can I say hi to the camera? Okay, now please. Hi!
Anong kaya nasasabi yan? We're going. Yo, where did my twin go? Wala ang partner mo. Uy, bawal ako iwan na partner.
Tayo. Wala.
Partner. Bro, partner. Guys, iniwan ko yung partner ko.
Oh no!
Hi, partner. Di na ako matakot mahulog sa escalator. dahil may nakasalo sa akin.
Dudura ako dito.
We're here na, guys. Entering. We're going inside the Science Expedition. Grabe, science talaga, guys. From blue dito.
Manuel, please send her.
Inside po, we just took a group photo. I don't know. Because that's gay. Hi, partner. Hi, partner. Wala yellow na dito.
Sige po, seat on the floor po.
Oh my God.
Move on our left.
Explore the marvels of earth science and space science,
Joke lang.
and journey through biochemistry,
Mas pogi ako.
microbiology, botany, and zoology. From the mysteries of rocks to the wonders of machines, there's
Technology.
a world of science waiting for you to explore. Before you begin your exploration, here's a quick reminder. So young explorers, are you ready to have an epic journey?
Yes.
Go on there, and welcome to Science Expedition.
Our patients are
So welcome to PC Station. As you can see, we have different awesome science of matter and the course optical wrap.
Paano yan?
Optical
Yo, that's cool.
Amazing!
Ako naman mas
po tayo sa mga machines para makatry po and maka-experience kayo nito.
Wow. Wow.
And so, ayun po. Lord, para ma-experience po natin ng time.
3, 2, 1.
Ayan, take turns na lang po tayo. Pwede na po tayo pumasok.
Screw pala ito, guys.
Watch this movie.
Wow!
So, maximize ko na tayo live. So cool!
Hello! Hello! Laki nito. Ang laki dito. Grabe ang laki. Ang laki ng science expedition. Wow! May higaan. May higaan. Guys, manonood kami movie. May movie guys. Wow. Movie tayo guys. Oh, ang gandang movie. Earth. Yeah, that's definitely Earth.
Every human who has lived, every story that was ever told. It's where our journey begins. But as we zoom out, beyond our atmosphere, past the moon, beyond the familiar planets of the sun, we embark on an epic quest. A quest to grasp the true scale of our universe. As we leave Earth's embrace, the first marker on our cosmic journey is the moon. About 384,400 kilometers away, a distance so vast that if you were to drive a car at a constant speed of 100 kilometers per hour, it would take you over 160 days to reach it. And from this lunar vantage point, Earth appears as a fragile sphere of blues and greens, cradled in the black void of space. As we continue our outward journey, the next milestone is the Sun, lying approximately 1 astronomical unit away from Earth. This unit, equivalent to about 150 million kilometers, is the standard measuring stick for distances in our solar system. Imagine this: light, traveling at an astounding speed of 300,000 kilometers per second. If you were to travel this distance in a commercial reminder of the vastness of space, even within our own solar system, the Sun, a fiery behemoth, provides life-sustaining energy to our planet from this incredible distance. Venturing beyond our home planet and its solar companion, the Sun changing distances and orbital dynamics, extending about 100 light years from Earth. This bubble represents the farthest extent of human influence in the cosmos, the reach of our radio and television broadcasts into space.
Next station.
Ano pakiramdam? Parang ginagano ko. Mabilisan. Hawakan mo, hawakan mo. Hawakan mo. Hawakan mo. Hindi lang. Nakakalito, di ba?
Wow! Ha! Mind the power to nucleus.
Give me more power.
Amazing!
Power. Ah! Give me all the worms. What is this?
Give me more power. Give me more power.
Feels weird. Power. Telekinesis.
Give me more power.
Oh. Telekinesis. try to complete it. We're gonna try to complete it. Oh, God. Pabaksak guys. Rip. Madaming rides. And it's ride everything. So, iniisip ko po gawin yung horror dahil sabi po maganda po yun. Pero tatakbo-takbo at madatapa-tapaan. So, uy, niyasa. Di ba natin sa horror magdadapa-dapaan?
Ay!
Yeah, horror. Gusto ko mag-horror.
Kung hindi po yung mga
Uy, Manila Film Center. Di ba? Horror yan? Horror yan. Horror yan. Yeah. Horror yan, nakakatawa din.
That is the Manila Film Center.
Papunta na kami sa Star City. Ako, nag-gusto. So, sasabay kami
sa...
Hindi mag...
Wow!
Tawag mo na yung...
Uy, extreme tayo.
tayo, guys.
Extreme.
You what?
Yo, I think. Hello, Stefan Pope.
Oh no!
Sabay tayo.
Minyosa, sabay kami.
Run.
Iwan na kami. Uy, wag niyo ako yung kanan. Hi guys! Saan tayo sasakay guys? Oh!
Tuwa sa kutok mo.
May nasa na yung iba? Ayun yung iba!
Tataas tayo, uy! Ayun ko tamakbo, magsusuka.
Ayun yung iba, nasa taas. Ay, wag niyo ako iwan.
Daan lang tayo.
Ayun niyo siya.
Hey guys, naghanap kami ng rides.
Oh no!
Nawala si Naz.
Ayun, nawala ko Vikings.
Ayan po, Vikings. Guys, dito kami sasakay.
This is gonna be the deadliest night. We might die, and the Kawiwan might die. AKA
What did you
Akino.
Sakit na ako guys. Sakit ako, pero scared at the same time. Bilang. Good luck guys, susugod na kami.
Guys, tingnan nyo!
Guys!
Bernal! Hey, tingnan.
Second ride roller coaster done. Next ride. Guys, third ride. Ikot-ikot.
Hi guys, third ano.
Good luck.
Good luck tayo sa amin. Kasi 3 beses na kami. Paus ng boses ko.
Rip.
Oh no!
Mas malala daw to guys sa Anchors Away and Space Shuttle. So, see you later guys. Last. Guys! Basic! Guys, 4th ride namin. I don't know what that is called, pero 4th ride. Good luck na lang.
Jello!
Guys, tingnan niyo ang nangyayari. Ah! Para mas na nakakataka sa akin.
So, horror, sila hindi nga totoo yung ano eh. Pre, para mas malala pa to ha. Hindi totoo yung aswang pero sinusuntok.
4th ride. Good luck. Ride.
4th na ride.
Surf something. Good luck.
Surf dance siya. Look at this. Surf dance.
Say hi.
Tingnan mo kung namatay ako, bahala kayo dyan.
Dominic!
Nangyari kay Sam. Sasabihin mo. Kung namatay ako, bahala kayo dyan.
Good luck. Warm up.
Post ng busis ko.
Walang basic, di ba?
Unbasic
Guys, mababasa ata siguro. Kami. Good luck. Guys, mababasa tayo.
So guys, is the 5th ride na ngayon. Turuan na ako.
Good luck. Dito po tayo sasakay. Di naman bumababasa. Good luck guys. Nabasa. Lift. Nabasa ka. Kanina parang umulan guys. Right. Right. Guys, nabasa kami on the 5th ride. Chill pa rin. Di ba mag-horror pa kayo? Grabe, ang saya. Ang saya. Pang-anim na ride. Pang-anim na ride, guys. Guys, 6th ride. Good luck.
6th ride na, guys.
Guys, basic yung 6. 7 na. So guys, 8 ride. Tornado ride. Basic!
Sup guys, ngayon, pang night na namin. Craziest ride bro.
Next ride, bumper cart.
Ito pala, we have an update. Ngayon, di kami muna magsasakay sa ano ulit.
Frisbee.
Frisbee. So ngayon, sasakay kami sa bumper cart. Diba? Yeah.
Guys,
kasi yung kaibigan namin nag-request.
Our best friend. Come on, Mew. Tapos ng bumper cart. We're gonna go to the bus ata. Sila. Are you tired? Are you tired?
Yes, really.
Are you tired? 10th ride na. 10th ride. Guys, another ride. Hi, ma'am. Guys, another ride. Let's go. Hi guys, 12th ride. Ferris wheel. Yes,
Let's go. Balas face. Uy, di naman tutuloy. Dito tayo dito. Balas bro. Let's go!
Ang init, okay lang yan.
Nakatakot naman ito kung sobrang taas mo. Huwag bumilis to. Paano kaya itong ano?
Hey, World Trade Center of the Philippines. May ganyan bala tayo, Twin Towers.
Star City?
Yung World Trade Center.
9/11 all over again.
Ano yun? All over again.
Left side!
Ma'am! Sir!
Left side!
Sa baba nyo!
Asa baba! Hey, sir!
Ba't sila natayo? Sa kaya pwede tayo?
Natayo sila!
Sila natayo!
Ala.
Hindi, madami sila. Hindi, mas madaming
Dito pa yung sa taas nila, ma'am.
Kasi public yan eh.
Yo guys, we're here at Time Warp Adventure. Yo! Like 14th na ako. Guys, 14th ride na balata. Sama. Dito. Don't touch. Oh, more stuff.
Upside down. Yeah, upside down.
Mas nakakatakot ka sa sakana. Yo, EG. Uy, dahan-dahan guys. Guys, dahan-dahan. World War. Uy, World War to.
Fire the bomb!
Mandating ka sa taas!
Picture mo. Picture mo.
Ba't half yung mukha niya?
Hey guys, picture niyo ako. Guys, picture mo.
Ba't may nagkukural dito? Sa alabit na may bit-bit sa balikat ng kaniyang kalapit balikat. Camel! La! Double-headed camel! Uy, Miz! Akala ko. Ano ito, window, Miz? Uy! Window, Miz. Pero not that much of a Miz. Valhalla! The Headless Angel. Zombie. Zombie. Hello guys, gabi na 5 something PM. Time check 5:30 plus PM. So naka 14 rides na po kami and nag-drink po ako ng float po. So ngayon pa naghanap po kami ng sasakyan. It's been very fun for today po. I've enjoyed it a lot. So sama lang po sa grupo. Guys, 15th ride. Hi guys, we're on the plane. Yay! Pew 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 pew. Yo. Hi guys, our 16th ride. The carousel.
Yes, dito mo na! Sabi ako dyan.
This is my horse. Ang liit ng horse mo. Robert, ang liit ng horse mo.
I'm a peasant.
Oh, I'm moving. My horse is... Grabe, kindergarten vibes. Grabe. Sir! Sir! Hi, sir! Ma'am! Ma'am, permission to post! Yo, talaga mamaminyosa. Uy, walang ano si Minyosa. Kawawa naman. Ayun. Oh. Sir, permission to post! Sila teacher. Kindergarten vibes. Grabe, I feel like kindergarten na vibes. Old memories. Sir! Teachers guys, yung nakapin. So guys, so naka-enjoy na po kami, pauwi na po kami, iniintay ko lang po yung friend ko, si Rai. Nagbili na po ako ng ulam dahil malilate po kami ng uwi. So, ngayon guys, we're gonna bili. So, papunta na po kami sa bus. Wala lang tao dito guys. Gabi na kasi. So, thank you for watching po. Please subscribe and like my video. I hope you like this vlog po. I enjoyed a lot. Bye!
Uy, kanino to akin to ah?